In order to avoid breakdown or deformation of the tent frame, 2 persons are needed during installation. First, we need to take the tent frame out from the wheel bag and put the frame to a proper place. After the frame is in place, we can start to weld the graphic to the frame. Unfold the frame to arm length and put on the graphic to the frame, by pressing the top and 4 corners to the corresponding position. Please make sure the velcros on the graphic paste to the right place of the side legs. 2 persons work together to open the frame. Adjust the buckles on the side legs to the proper height. And the 3 gears are available to adjust the height. Then paste the backboard to the tent and please ensure the velcro stick to its place. We have 3 sides of tent, all of them follow same steps to install. Fix the clamps to 4 side stacks. Next, we can install the half-wall. Connect 2 half-wall poles apart together and insert the connected pole to half-wall pocket. Stick half-wall poles to the clamps and paste the graphic to the frame. This is the installation of the tent, and our customer advertising tents allow you to enjoy freely matching with half walls and full walls.